Meaning of dotted line.
Dotted line.
Dotted line.
Dotted line.
Dotted line. A dotted line refers to a line made up of small dots, rather than a continuous line. It is often used to represent something that is unclear or uncertain, such as the future direction of a business or organization. The use of a dotted line helps to indicate that a relationship or connection exists, but is not yet firmly established. This can be particularly useful in project management or organizational settings, where individuals may be working together on a temporary or ad hoc basis. Overall, the dotted line is a simple yet effective way of visually representing ambiguity or informality.